Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. I haven't had a video up in months, and the reason is because I had hurt my back, maybe from ratchet, maybe from laying some flooring, maybe from a mixture. Oh my lord, good sakes. Maybe from a mixture of both. Nobody really knows, but I had to go to the doctor. I had to go to physical therapy. Everybody thinks I'm fine now. So I had a couple of months off, but now I'm back at it, trying to hurt my back again. Right now, I am at Syracuse sand dunes, and this is actually my first time ever driving in the sand or at a sand dunes. Now I've already been out here since the video, so this is technically my first day at the dunes, but it's a lot of fun. I'm learning a lot about what's entailed in driving on dunes and sand, so that's fun. Oh my, it's bumpy. I thought it'd be smoother, but it's actually quite bumpy. I've got my tires are at 8 psi in the front and 10 in the rear. I could probably go less because it's still bumpier than I would expect. But yeah, I'm also worried about rolling off the bead, and I'm here by myself, so I'm trying to be a little careful. Now, when I say I'm here by myself, I mean I drove here by myself. This is it's a city park, and there are other vehicles out here, so I'm not completely out here by myself, but you know, when I don't have a buddy with me, try to be a little bit more careful. Okay. Woo. Well, I wish it was just these roly-polies or whoops. Those are fun. It's got these little chops in between, which are annoying, like right here. Yeah, these little ones are irritating, but you're probably just supposed to go faster, but I don't know. So this Syracuse sand dunes, I think, is something like 1,200 acres. So it's not humongous, but it's not small by any means. Oh, there's a razor just went whipping by. Oh, good lord, another one. So what I'm gonna do is I just want to go in, I guess, what they call the bowls. That's what I've been enjoying the most. I'd really like to be jumping the dunes, but without a buddy, that's just too dangerous. So I've been playing around in the bowls, and that has been a lot of fun. See, I like to come out here where you kind of get to the middle of the dunes here, and it opens up a little bit more fun. I've also learned that you have to be careful because you never know where it's going to drop off. Like right here. Mother, may I? So you don't want to go too fast without like really knowing the dunes. Oh, good lord, I just got blasted in the face with sand. It's super windy here right now, like crazy windy. I'll tell you, you get up there and you can kind of feel can kind of feel when you're losing speed and then you cut down. It's cool. Losing speed and cut down. That is that's a cool feeling. Not gonna lie to you. As soon as I start losing speed, then I turn down into it. Turn in. All right. All right, let's hit the, there's another dune. We want to hit them all. Be an equal opportunity duner. Alright. One more time. I'm going to do that one more time. Here we go. We're going to burn the whole thing. Take it down. Take it down. Nice. Nice. All right, all right. There's other dunes. Going up. Riding the top. Oh, we're gonna get sandblasted here. Oh my Lord! Holy crap! Jeez! Hope none of that got in the engine. There's another little tiny berm. Whoa! Little guy. Throttle back. Yeah, that one's really small. Oh. I think this wind is taking some of the fun out of it, so I'm going to head back. Going down. cool about Syracuse sand dunes is, they allow you, there's a campground across the street from the park, which I've got my camper over there, and they actually allow you to drive on the roads. I mean, it's not like it can't be your daily driver, but they allow you to use your off-road vehicles unregistered to go get gas, go get something to eat, which is really a lot of fun. Woo! Oh boy. That is very bouncy. Very bouncy. I can see why people like whoops. Aside from the little annoying bumps, the larger whoops are actually a lot of fun. Ridiculous. Oh my goodness. That will wear out. Wait till you see how bumpy it gets down here. It's totally ridiculous. They don't want you going faster here. Obviously, this is right by the exit. So let's go real slow through here. So guys, I don't have a lot of content coming right now because Ratchet is done. And my channel was based around building and fabricating Ratchet. I'm not building another Baja. Ratchet was the one that I wanted. He's the one that I'm now using. I'm going to continue to tweak him and make him better. And I'll make videos of that. But it's impossible for me to have a video once a week now because I'm not working on him every single day. I'll still have some videos of me using him, like this right here. And I'll have some videos of, you know, little improvements that I do to him. And I'll probably have some videos on the RV. But I'm not going to have, I won't have videos every week. I won't have the content. And I don't, you know, I don't want to put out a video if I don't think that I have some legitimate content. But hopefully this video turns out good because, man, driving in these dunes is a lot of fun. I brought the RV. I brought a radio-controlled boat. I brought a couple of radio-controlled cars because I just love tinkering with all that stuff. So I've just been here toying around. You know me. I'm like an adult child. Boy, I can't get that guy to wave at me to save my life. I'm trying to make friends. Alright, thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next one.